What's up, guys? It's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to remove your payment card detail from Facebook ads using your mobile phone. And before we get to the practical started, guys, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to click on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell icon, so whenever I upload content about Facebook ads or Facebook related topic, you'll be able to learn one or two things in the video. So let's get to the practical started. So I'm going to go straight to my Facebook ads manager. So here's my Facebook ad manager app. Okay, so I'm going to click on it right away. So I'm going to click on it now. All right, so this is how the Facebook Ads Manager is going to open up from your phone. And the next step you have to take, let me make a screenshot. So you need to click on this top here. So I'm going to click on it right away. So let me click on it. So I'm going to make another screenshot. Now you have to click on here, payments. All right, so now as you can see from the screen here, I have two card payment information. So, and I'm going to remove one out of these two. So the next thing you have to do is to select on the card you want to remove from the payment details. I'm going to remove this MasterCard. So what you have to do is to click on the card. Now this is going to pop up. Then from the further point here, you can either edit the card or remove the card. So in this regard, I'm going to remove the card. So I'm going to click on removed. Click on here. So remove payment method. This once removed, you won't be able to use this card payment method to run adverts again. So the next thing you have to do, let me another screenshot. So you have to click on here, and you are good to go with the sorry for interruption. You are good to go with how you can remove payment card detail from your Facebook Ads Manager using your mobile phone. So if you find value for this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And also if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below, and also you can as well check my Facebook Ads playlist on my channel for more interesting tutorial about Facebook ads and Facebook related topic. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.